Yeah, I did.
Okay. Why?
Are you complaining?
No, just why?
Well, I didn't have anything to wear on my lower half. And so I looked around for a while, and when I found that there were some shorts that hadn't been dried in the washer, I put them in the dryer to, dry them, and then I put them on when they were dry.
You're not wearing shorts.
Right, well, I spilled some stuff on them later, so I had to change.
What stuff?
Coffee.
Did you clean it up?
Well, yeah, obviously, or else there'd be, coffee somewhere. Yeah, I did.
Okay, good. What you been doing while we were gone?
Cleaning the coffee maker?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry about that.
Yeah, well, you should be, because...
Well, it wasn't like it was my fault, though. I am sorry, but it wasn't my fault.
Come on.
What do you... Manny, I wasn't going to be late to work, so I could clean the coffee pot up.
Right, I get that, but it's like, this isn't the first time this happened.
Yeah?
Yeah, well...
So what do you want me to do about it?
I want you to, plan ahead.
How can I plan if I don't know when it's going to happen?
Well, you could plan so that it's going to happen every day, and then when it does happen, you'll be ready. Get up earlier.
Get up earlier. This coming from a person who sleeps till noon every day.
Well, that's irrelevant.
You're giving me advice on how to manage my morning, but you don't take that advice yourself. You sleep till the last minute.
Well, yeah, but that's situation-specific advice. I don't need the advice. Well, I need it. I just need for you to take it, because it inconveniences me when the coffee maker isn't cleaned.
Inconveniences you.
Yeah.
What would you have been doing otherwise?
That's not the point.
Yeah, I did.
Okay, good. So what you been doing while we were gone?
Nothing, really. You?
Well, I talked to Nora today, and she's not doing very well. She told me that she's going to get a divorce.
Why?
She said that Jeffrey did the unthinkable. No, I wondered too, and it's not that. She said that he sold some family heirlooms of theirs, and she didn't find out about it until later, and now she can't recover it.
Oh, that... I don't know if I'd call that the unthinkable. Well, I guess it's the unthinkable in that I didn't think of it, but... I mean,
Well, I was concerned because I thought they were really happy, and...
Well, are they going to get a divorce?
And I
mean, do you think... she says that, but do you think
she
she's
sounded very certain that they're going to get a divorce.
Yeah?
And that concerned me, but Crystal said that they're not, and that things like this have happened before, and she's heard this all before.
Heard it all with a previous husband or husbands?
She's only had one husband. He died.
Oh, okay, because I was going to say, if she had divorced a husband that she had before, then obviously she wouldn't be opposed to divorcing her current husband if she felt it necessary. But I mean, seeing as it's happened before, maybe she wouldn't be opposed to having him die now if she felt it necessary. maybe her other husband, and we could have like discovered a whole thing here. Like maybe her previous husband, you know, was doing something or did something that she didn't like, and so she, you know, killed him. But or maybe there's really not a way to tell. Maybe she'll go one step further than killing him. Maybe instead of killing him, she'll kill many people for him. She'll commit genocide in his name. Like he'll be reading the mail and be like, "Honey, did you kill 6 million people using my name?" And she'll be like, "What? Was that me? I don't know, I can't quite remember. Oh yes, it was, but I guess you should have been thinking about that while you were selling the family heirlooms." And he'll be like, "Great! Now for the rest of history I'll be known as that jerk who killed all those people."
I want to talk about it.
What? Why? What? What's wrong?
You're just making a joke out of it. Just leave me alone.
Fine. Yeah, I did.
Oh, okay. Oh, so what you been doing while I was gone?
No, nothing really. I mean, you?
Well, I picked up a lot of rocks today while I was at work.
Oh.
This is a conch. This too.
I like this one.
It's like Squidward's nose.
This is like Sylvester and the Magic Pebble.
Oh, it is. This one feels like pumice. Feel.
Oh, is it sandstone or?
Pumice? I don't think
No,
pumice is
is this
sandstone.
is this sandstone?
I don't think so. Because sandstone, you can break it apart. And you
Right.
can't.
Why do they build things out of sandstone? Because it doesn't seem like it's very sturdy.
I don't think they did.
They built that one lighthouse that we went to out of sandstone. Just the bottom part, which seems like the worst part to build.
I don't know. Well, maybe sandstone is sturdier than I think.
Well, it just doesn't seem sturdy at all because you just touch it and bits fall off.
This one looks like it's been through a tumbler on this side. The ocean, but not on the other side.
If it had been through a tumbler, it'd probably say "Wow, okay" on it in all tiny
Now
letters.
this one is super shiny. Like tumbling. Do you think this is asphalt?
Do you think this is asphalt?
Well, I think these two, I'm not sure. This one's lighter. Feel, look at them.
Well, this one. Which one's bigger? This one is.
This one, it's much bigger, but it's,
I can't really tell. They seem similar to me. The same. What's this?
well, that's the question.
Yes, that was a question. I just asked you.
I know, it's not chicken.
It's a whale.
It's too small.
How do you know? It should be like the whale's ear bone. Not that they have ears. Could
be a whale tooth?
It's a bone. Teeth aren't porous. See the pores?
It's a porpoise bone, not a porous bone.
I think someone was eating on the beach, but I don't know what kind of food
Someone
this
was
is.
eating a whale's tooth on the beach?
No, their dinner or picnic.
Yeah, it was their dinner a whale's tooth.
I don't think it's a tooth.
Okay.
See, look, it has a hole for the marrow.
But it doesn't go all the way through, it just goes down a bit.
It does. There's sand.
No way. Oh, wait, actually, because you're right.
It's like a steak or something like that.
What?
A steak.
Bone
Someone
is
had a steak.
decidedly unlike a steak.
No, this was their steak dinner.
What part of a steak looks like that?
Well, I haven't bought any like that. Well, a T-bone.
Mr. T-bone.
I don't think you've ever had a T-bone.
Nope. This one's really tiny. Like I feel like I could crush this one between my fingers, but I can't. I like this one a lot too.
This one's like wood. Like this might be petrified wood.
Maybe only half of it. It looks like maybe petrified wood fused with actual rock. Not that that could necessarily happen, but... Or maybe it's a buildup of sand on it, on this actual rock. This one's kind of like a tiny part.
It is.
And then this one, what color is this? This one's like brownish black thing. Paint. Is this one shaped like a steak? No, it's not. I don't know what shapes the states are. I can't remember.
It's shaped like Virginia. See?
Oh. Well, kind of.
Yeah, Virginia goes off the part that goes towards Tennessee out here. This is the coast. North Carolina comes up here.
This one's shaped like Colorado because it's a square
I have some more on the porch.
that are shaped like Colorado.
No, a lot of
Oh,
different.
shaped like Wyoming because that's a different shape.
Let me see. Let me put them on. Some way more interesting ones on the porch.